everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nanika Hnistiawati, an accounting student at the Faculty of Economic and Business, Trunojoyo University, Madura. Here, I would like to share my experience in learning English. Learning English in the accounting study program at Trunojoyo University, Madura provide an experience that is not only personal but also relevant to the academic needs of the accounting field. As an accounting student, I recognize that English is a crucial foundation because almost all standards, technical terms, and primary literature in the field use English as the language of instruction. Therefore, English proficiency is not merely an additional skill but a necessary academic competency. During my first English class, I felt extremely anxious and nervous. My self-confidence also plummeted due to the fear of making mistakes or misunderstanding the lecture instruction. My limited vocabulary and lack of experience using English in academic settings made it difficult for me to fully understand the explanation. The new lecture atmosphere also posed a challenge. English isn't really my strong suit. I only understand the basic without ever truly studying it in depth. Therefore, every time I entered class, I felt overwhelmed and began to doubt my ability to successfully follow the course. However, as time went on, my perspective on learning English began to change. One thing that made me more comfortable was the teaching method used by my lecturer. He often gave me audio recordings from Instagram or YouTube to study at home. Then we discussed them in the next meeting. At first, the recordings were difficult to understand, but after listening to them repeatedly, I began to pick up on English pronunciation, patterns, intonation, and sentence structure. This learning method not only helped me my listening skills, but also made the learning process feel more relaxed and enjoyable. From there, I began to realize that hand-on practice is the key to better understanding English. Little by little, I began to find a learning method that worked for me to improve my English. One strategy I used was memorizing vocabulary every day. I realized that without a sufficient vocabulary, it was difficult to understand or construct sentences. So I tried to note down new words and repeat them regularly. I also started listening to English songs more often. This method felt more relaxed, but it still helped me learn new phrases and practice my listening skills. My journey to learning English hasn't always been easy, but I've learned many valuable lessons. While I used to be confused my accounting terms, which were almost entirely in English, now I am starting to understand and follow them better. My experience at Trunojoyo University, Madura has made me realize that mastering a language takes time, practice, and the courage to try, even if I make mistakes. I'm grateful for the progress I've made, and I hope to continue developing my English skills to prepare for future challenges in both the academic and professional world. That's all I can share. I hope you can learn from it. Thank you everyone. See you again.